Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a very useful formula that is a trim function, trim formula. Okay, so with this one what we can easily do, we can easily remove all the extra spaces which are given in these texts. That is a rough data, somewhere the 2 spaces are given, somewhere randomly 3-4 spaces are given. We can easily sort that all out with a simple formula, that is a trim formula. Okay, so with this one I am going to use a trim formula equal to trim, then press tab for selecting the text, then select your text and press enter. Okay, so with this one, that all the extra spaces that are before the name, that are totally removed. Okay, so if I want to copy down the formula, then I am going to double click here, and this will all automatically copy down all the formulas downside. Okay, and the next one, if you also you can easily copy down with the by dragging like this, and you can also type the formula, same formula for all the cell. So I'm going to use once again trim, press and select the text and press enter. So after writing the formula, you have to press Ctrl and enter. It will automatically copy down the formula. Thank you. If you are having these kind of rough data, you can easily use this trim function, then with which you can easily sort out that all the text values. Thank you and have a nice day. If you like to my video, then give a thumbs up